And this is a short video to show you how to use this lead magnet wolf, right? So when you log into the lead magnet wolf, you're going to see this dashboard one. It's a simple user interface, right? So inside here, you'll be seeing this welcome to lead magnet wolf download, right? But same, there's a button you can actually we link to the OTO one-time special one-time offer, right? If you if you have missed out the one-time offer, then you can actually purchase via this button. We link it to the page where you can actually purchase the OTO. So you scroll down, you're going to see the first part of this is a folder, right? So this is a folder. You will see there are years from starting from 2016 and 2021. You click inside here, you can see there's a lot of content inside here. There's a PLR ebook, right? Okay, and also video courses, right? It's actually structured by year, months, and again, you go inside. There's an ebook folder and video folder. There's a different ebook and video inside here. So you can browse each of it, and you can just click on this button, and it actually you can start downloading into your local drive, right? So you can since you are getting this as a one-time price unlimited access, you can take your space to actually to download as you went, right? Because I'm giving you a lifetime access to this dead manual wolf download, right? So again, you can go back to the years, click on go, and click on the start. We go back to the main menu. So again, there are other years, 2017, right? Okay, so again, it's go to by months. Each of the year they are now 2030 subfolder by months. So let's say you don't want to download by each of the zip file, then you can actually download this a zip of this folder, right? Then just click on here, then we download the whole folder of the ebook, or you click on the video load zip, you download the whole videos folder, right? Other way is you want to do a search, right? Okay, so you can do a search by topic. Let's say you want to search for any ebook of video courses about Facebook. Just do a search here, you can see. So the system is fetching all the relevant all those contents ebook and also videos are based on this keyword, the Facebook, so you can see. So all this is going to get here, right? So let's say you're going to check about e-com, right? Just type e-commerce, right? Right. So the system will search any ebook of this video call related to e-commerce, so you can start downloading. So that's many ways. So you can again you can do a modify. Okay, right? You can sort by name, size, modify, date of creation, ascending, and descending, right? So there's a different button here, right? Okay, thumbnail view, we can change a different view also. Very simple to use, and it's very user friendly, right? There's no complex step to follow, right? Everything is content. I'm giving you the access to the content here. You can make use of this content for whichever purpose, give it away as a bonuses, as a free gift, or you can actually also upload to the server and start selling it as your own product, right? Okay, because when you download each of the content here, you're going to get whether it's ebook or video, you're going to get a full set of the content. You are going to get the ebook of the video, or they will also come with the sales page, thank you page. Everything's will be done for VSL is also include each of the item name. Imagine there are over 6,000 item I have put upload inside this SaaS, right? So with just one time price, you're going to benefit a lot for lifetime access, right? And regularly I'm going to upload more and more content here. So right now you are seeing the content is up to 2021. So next year you have 2022, and we have also up to October here. Okay, so really soon I'm going to upload another 2 months here. So so this is going to benefit you a lot in the long run, right? So you don't have to worry about running out of content for whichever purpose you want, right? So in this reloaded version, right, actually have upgrade this SaaS, this app. I'm going to give you more values if you with just one time, right, you're going to get this free marketing resource and content, whereby under this 6,000 plus ebook, I have actually introduced this, include this, whereby you can download content like email swap. Okay, you click inside here. Okay, I'm going to upload more and more content inside. So you can see there's a MMO or email swap have actually uploaded here also, right? So you're going to have a free app SaaS. So if I found any free app or SaaS which is useful to help your business, which actually is free, and some may could come with a reseller like that, you can upload here. I'm going to share this with you, so you're going to benefit here. Stock image and graphic here. So if I find any images, example like 3,000 motivation code, I uploaded here, right? Okay, and all in one graphic design pack here, right? So all this stock graphic, you don't have to go and buy the stock graphic separately. So just come in one time, pay one time, you're going to enjoy for the life or your time, right? So this is a stock video. So they have actually have populated the 4,000 plus has a video on the topic motivation, fitness, yoga, and cooking also, right? Go back to the right template, right? Again, you can see I have upload a couple of templates, Shopify term, landing page template, and I'm going to upload opt-in page template also, right? Right, WP plugin, if there's any WordPress plugin I feel is very useful to you, then I will also share with you. So you just come in as and when you want to find some content, right? Then I will upload here, right? So other way is you need any content which I have missed out, or if I have those content, you're welcome to, after purchase, you're welcome to email to me, Skype me to say you need this content. I will do my best to upload the content. I'll buy it under this also, right? So under this free marketing resource and content, you're going to get a lot of free content, which you will save you a lot of money in the long run. You don't have to go fork out your you don't have to pay for all this content anymore, because I'm going to provide to you in the one-time call, one-time access. This is what the deep manner work deloader means, right? Okay, so with this deep manner work deloader, I hope it's going to help you to provide more values and it provide more content for your marketing need, and I'm sure this is going to help you to take your business to the next level. So do enjoy this app, and don't forget, if you have missed out the OTO, please click the button here. It will bring out you to the OTO page and do the one-time special offer site, right? Okay, right. That's it for today, right? Also, another thing, on and off, I may be recommending some other courses here. I'll put in some banner here whereby if you feel these courses, like recently I have found this Join Rank Master. This is a good courses, right? So I will actually recommend inside this textbook for the benefit of you also, right? That's it for now, and enjoy and have a nice day. Also wish you Merry Christmas, right?